Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Tutorial Pathshala. Myself Hitesh Pathak, and today we are going to discuss our next question in the series of multiple choice questions from acid, base and salt. The question is, which of the following phenomena occurs when a small amount of acid is added in water? This means to say that if a small amount of acid is added in water, what are the from these phenomena which where occur? The phenomena are ionization, neutralization, dilution and salt formation. So before letting you for the discussion, we have the option of A and B, A and C, B and D, A and B and B and C. Out of the four, firstly we will discuss about what are these processes. The first one is ionization. Second is neutralization. Third is dilution. And fourth is salt formation. Okay, starting from the ionization, ionization occurs in between acids and base by the formation of ions, anions and cations, positive ions and negative ions, and these two form from an acid. Like if I take HCl for example, hydrochloric acid, this forms positive ion and chlorine negative ion, and this positive ion is replaced or ionized, it's called hydrogen ion in the formation of ionization. The second is neutralization. Neutralization means acid have a pH value of less than 7. Okay, and as we add acid to some water, what it means that the pH value of acid decrease and it becomes nearby equal to 7 by adding small amount of acid. We are not adding water in acid. This is where acid is added in water. So the small amount of acid is added in large amount of water. So it is nearly equal to, because water has the pH value of 7. So it won't change that much, and it becomes, the acid part also became nearby equal to 7. This is called neutralization. The third one is dilution. When large amount of acid is, when acid added with water to neutralize it or to dilute it from concentrated to dilution, concentrated to dilute acid, and this is what, that concentration of acid in a particular solution decrease, and that's called dilution in the formation. The fourth one is salt formation. Salt formation, we already studied about salt formation. When will salt form from acid and base? When acid and base reacts, they form salt and water. So these are the four processes, and we have to select when which of them will be included or occurs in the process of small amount of addition of acid to water. So here we can see ionization. Ionization is going on because acids splits their content in positive and negative ions, and here we have, so we know that A is always present. Okay, and what about which options have A, 1 and third? Now we have to conclude whether neutralization, dilution or salt formation is occurring. Salt formation is not occurring because no base is there, so no salt will be added. So wherever B is used, it can't be the correct option. Second, third and fourth all having B. So sorry, D, we are talking about D. Second and fourth, second only, so second will not be an answer of our question. The next is B and C, dilution. Dilution is occurring when small amount of water or amount of water is always less than the acid. So it just decrease the concentration from concentrated acid to dilute acid. So our option is A and B, where ionization and neutralization occurs for a particular acid which is in small amount with addition of water in it. So our answer is B. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and share so that I can make continuously more videos. Thank you.